Hello everyone, my name is Cap and welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another snack crate unboxing. Got my best buddy over here with me, and we are really excited about doing these. We have a good time with them. You guys seem to enjoy watching us do these, and we're going to keep doing it as long as you guys keep watching them. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened up. Alright, let's see where this one is from here. We are visiting the Netherlands this month. That's pretty cool. I don't really know anything about the Netherlands. That's pretty cool. Let's see what flaggers we got this week. We got windmills, some clogs. Nice. Here, I'll let you handle the stickers. Let me see the booklet. Put it over here. Netherlands. Capital is Amsterdam. I know a few things about Amsterdam. Alright, let's get this opened up and see what we got going on here food-wise. I don't know any kind of information about what's popular kind of food in the Netherlands or whatever, so I'm not sure what we have here. Ooh, Lay's.
They got some Lay's chips. So we got some Venco, looks like money, coin.
Let's see what, nice.
They look like coins.
Mutton drop. I don't know what those are. I'll read about what all the ingredients and stuff in these are as we go here. Potato jappy flavor?
Lay's.
I'm not sure
I never even knew that was a thing.
I don't know either. Now, I don't speak Dutch, so I'm not quite sure how some of this is going to be pronounced.
We got a Fernandez Cherry Bouquet.
Bouquet.
Same thing.
So we got a cherry flavored soda this one. Xiri Munches. Sour power. Ooh. We may have to go bust out our little treat thing, try these out here and stuff and see how they taste when they're not super sour. But of course we have to try it regular sour first.
Yes.
Alright, what is this? Smulches UFOs. They look like little cookies with little treats on top of them here. Oh, there's two of them. Nice. Are those Smurfs? Those are the Smurfs. Netter chocolate. I do not know what those are, but those are the Smurfs. I don't know which Smurf that is, but that's pretty cool.
This is awesome. Okay.
What is that? Pagenenberg. That's kind of a long name here. Maybe Pinenberg? I'm not sure how many of those letters are silent. Oh, that looks good. Oh, there's two of them.
Stroop Waffle.
Stroop Waffle. Ooh, those look really good. And they're nice and thin. Caramel and cinnamon and bourbon vanilla. Yeah.
We got some Cottage Reap.
What do those little chocolate bars look like?
They look like...
And then Côte d'Or. Yeah, we're mispronouncing everything in this video, so hopefully y'all are okay with that because this is a little bit outside our wheelhouse.
Let's see here. Look.
Look. Looks like sour straws.
Oh gosh, no, sour.
More sour?
I like sour.
Yeah, but everybody likes to see your look on your face here. And what are these little bits? There's a bunch of these tiny little things. They look like little cubes called hoppies.
Let's do these.
Okay, what are those? Those are the Dutch are serious about black licorice, and there's no more black than these classic licorice bites.
Ew, I hate licorice.
Ugh, we are not fans of black licorice.
I'll get some scissors.
Just in case, I should be able to just open it up this way here. Handle slip off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, we are not fans of black licorice, but as part of the video, we will definitely use it.
I mean, they look really good.
Alright. Ready?
I'm ready to cringe.
Okay, ready? Here we go. I didn't laugh for long. Yep. It tastes like black licorice. They're very, very chewy. Very, very chewy. Not big fans of black licorice. Okay, alright, on to the next thing. Yeah, we are not big fans of black licorice, so...
How about Stroop Waffles?
Stroop Waffle, yeah, okay, we'll just share one of those.
Yeah.
Crunchy waffles filled with creamy caramel, Place on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften the caramel. Oh, nice. I'm going to save one of these for next coffee time. Which
I'm going to have this
afternoon.
for breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, you think so, huh?
Uh-huh.
We'll give it a bite. See, it looks like a tiny little bitty waffle with caramel inside. 2 tiny waffles sandwiching some caramel in the middle.
Mmm.
Let's see. Mmm, that's good.
Another bite.
And that would go good with a cup of coffee. It's a little bit chewy, but just the right amount. Mmm.
Mm.
Excellent. Alright, ooh, white chocolate. Let's try the white chocolate Smurf straws. The Netter Chocolate. Let's see what the Smurfs know about chocolate here.
Ooh.
Ooh, the white chocolate.
I feel like we've had something like that before.
I think in last month's we had these little crunchy straw-looking things to go with them.
They were vanilla and strawberry.
Yeah, those were good too.
Yes, they were. Do we still have those?
I'm not sure if we do or not. All right, you get one and I'll get one. All right, let's see if there's anything special about these here. Crunchy cracker twists are dipped in white chocolate.
Oh.
Okay, it's mostly just white chocolate, which is not a bad thing.
I'm going to have this as my snack tonight.
So you got breakfast tomorrow and your snack tonight. Those are really good. Yeah, that's more just white chocolate than cracker. Not a bad thing. Côte d'Or Reap Milk. Absolute decadent, featuring the famous Côte d'Or milk chocolate. Is it just one big candy bar, or is it like Licorice? Oh, nice. It's got the Côte d'Or.
Oh, this looks so good.
That's a big, thick chocolate bar.
Mmm.
Those peanuts inside?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
I'm going to finish that for you.
That is really good.
We better find these at Kroger. I wonder if they have these at Kroger.
I don't think so, since this is a Dutch thing.
Well, we're going to be getting some of these on
I'll
Amazon.
have to order some more of those.
Yeah.
Those are really, really quite good.
It kind of tastes like those hippos. Those.
Yeah, they kind of do taste like little hippos. Okay, we'll just finish that one just a bit. We're just going to try all these, that we make sure the video is not an hour long of us enjoying all of these snacks so far. Okay, let's see this. Now you want to try one of these? The Côte Reap.
You can have that one. I'll have this one.
Let's just do one. Cocoa Fantasies, you bite into one of the most popular chocolates in the Netherlands. Oh, nice. We'll do these little cookies. There's like 2 of these. Perfect. We'll do these next. Until I get these opened up.
Ooh, they're little bites.
Nice. Break me off a piece.
Here, you get half a piece. You just.
I get a fraction of it. I didn't even get a full half.
It's good though.
Yeah, that is really good.
I want the snack crate, like all the snack crate videos. This
It's
is.
the other half.
This has been the best one so far.
You think so?
Yeah.
Other than the black licorice, I would agree. Those are really good. All right, let's try the Smulchies. They're UFOs. They're little. So what are these? Tasty cookie topped with a layer of chocolate and then sprinkled with candy-covered milk chocolates.
Do you know one of the things I realized about the snack crates?
What's that?
They're not as much snacks as candy, which is not a bad thing. It's a great thing.
Yeah, that would. Sometimes we
kinda
usually get one kind of thing of chips.
These kind of look like the pink cookies that I have in there.
Yeah, like a much smaller version of it. The cookie's really crispy, so it kind of crumbles when you bite into it. There's not a ton of chocolate.
I didn't get any M&Ms. They're all over there.
I don't believe those are M&Ms. Those are really good. Yeah, those are really, really good.
And then we'll do the 2 sour things and end the video.
Okay. We did this.
Are we going to try the droplets that you can eat and sour things turn sweet?
Yeah, probably so. Okay. So we try the drink. Which one of the sour things you want to try first?
This one.
You want to try these?
The bacon.
Xiri Munches. These are fruit-flavored sour gummy ribbons. They're intense, but balanced with sweetness. That's what I like to see. I think it slides out the bottom. That's why you keep me around. Ooh, those smell good. They don't smell super sour. Take a whiff.
Smell like Sour Patch Kids.
They do. They do smell like Sour Patch. Which are sweet and sour. They're just in the shape of children instead of little bacon strips. Put it down flat when we're going to spray mist all over it. A nice warm soda. Let's see. The sweet and sparkly cherry soda is a popular treat throughout the Netherlands. Take a swig and give me a drink. You got a hole in your mouth?
Hopefully.
It's warm, so it's even more carbonated. That's a cherry soda. That's good though.
Alright, I'll take the first.
Hold on, get you a drink real quick, kind of clear your palate.
And I'll be the challenger.
Okay, you go for it. A little tart.
I'm gonna try to eat it.
Very good. Yeah, once you get past it's just like a Sour Patch Kid or the sour straws. You have the initial blast of sour.
It's not bad anymore.
Yeah, once you get past that initial blast of sour, it's really sweet. That's really good. What are these? These are rainbow of colors and flavors. These sour gummy ribbons are as colorful as they are sour. So they're sour ribbons too. Okay. Well, let's just rip this bad boy open and give it a try. That was not bad at all. Yeah, that was a tolerable level of sour here. Okay. These are in ribbon form. It's like an old IDE cable.
They're like a certain way they eat it. They like tear off the colors.
I'm gonna cram the whole thing in.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Fold it in and shove it in
You can
there.
go first this time.
Okay.
I'm afraid. Is it more sour?
Oh, that was not so bad. That's good.
I'm just gonna take
It's a different kind of sweet than the other ones.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be horrible.
No, it's not.
I just licked it.
Well, you're doing it the hard way. Cram it all in there and chew it up. Oh, that was fantastic.
Okay.
Not so much. You all right?
Barely.
Barely hanging on.
My tongue is on fire.
Well, that's pretty much. We didn't try the chips. Do you want to try the?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's see what these. Chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, and mayo, also known as jappy sauce. Mustard, onion, curry, and mayo. Mustard, onion, curry, and mayo.
You can have that one. I'm not gonna.
You have to try it. It's part of the thing. All right, let's give it a try. I love Lay's potato chips. This is a flavor we don't have here. Ooh, those don't actually smell. It kind of smell like the barbecue ones. You can have a small one.
They look like them too.
All right, I'll get a small too. You ready? Hold on, finish your chop. I'll go first. You get a big one. They kind of taste like a mild version of the barbecue Lays. That's not bad at all. Those are really good.
That's literally what they are.
Yeah, it tastes just like the barbecue Lays here. So apparently the barbecue Lays are onion, curry, and mayo, and mustard. Those are good. Those are really good. Alright, well that pretty much wraps it up for this box. That was all really good stuff. Sour things were a little bit intense. The black licorice was yucky. But
I'm gonna try the little...
Oh yeah, let me go get this real quick.
You almost forgot.
Yep. Berry. Berry. Now these were sent to us by a viewer here, and supposedly, if you eat these, it makes sour things not taste so sour. So we're gonna give them a try here. We haven't tried these yet.
I'm kind of afraid they're not gonna work, and like I'm just gonna eat another one of those horrible sour cringy
Oh, they come
things.
look like little medicine tablets here.
I got my allergy medicine.
Yeah, that's what it looks like here. Here's you one.
I'm gonna eat it, then I'm gonna.
Okay, which one you want to do? The really sour one again?
Yes.
Okay, so to the gentleman that sent us the berries here, let's see if you were right.
I got a
Try it.
skinny. Ew.
Has a little bit of tartness to themselves. Now these are not Dutch. These don't. I don't even know where these come from. They're all.
Do you have to eat it while they're in your mouth?
No, I think you eat it and then you eat the sour thing. We've never tried this before. It's just miracle fruit powder and cornstarch. Super chewy though. Did you already eat yours? Mm-hmm. You eat it faster than I did. Okay.
That's not sour at all.
So I got a nice good coating. Just kind of sweet.
I literally ate it without cringing at all.
Those do work pretty good.
How did I do that? I mean, the flavor doesn't change at all. It's just like you're about to cringe, and then you're like, nope.
Nice, nice.
I
All right,
don't
well,
use those all the time.
to the individual that sent us these berries, thank you. It helped us enjoy the sour treats even better. Okay, well, we better wrap it up there. We're running a little bit long here. Thank you guys so much for all the support of these videos. We really do have a lot of fun with them. So, keep all the comments and suggestions coming. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button down below. And be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And hit that little bell icon so you can get notified when a new video goes live. Thank you guys so much for your time.
Also, be sure to check out snackcrate.com so you can get your own snack crates like we do.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for your time. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.